हेलो फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल दैट इज डेंटिक्लो। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे नए यूट्यूब चैनल पर जिसका नाम है डेंटिक्लो। माई सेल्फ विजय तरकसे एंड टुडेज वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्लासिफिकेशन दोज व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन oral medicine and radiology and oral and maxillofacial surgery. So first of all, cyst. What is mean by cyst? Cyst, it is defined as it is a pathological cavity. Cyst, it is defined as it's a pathological cavity which may or may not be lined by epithelium, which contain fluid, semi-solid material and the gaseous. So first of all, what is cyst? Cyst, it is a well defined radiolucency which may or may not line by the epithelium, that is a cyst. So classification of cyst. So basically cyst, how it is classified. Cysts are of two types: odontogenic and non-odontogenic. And second one, that is non-odontogenic. In that particular odontogenic further divided into two types. फिर से यहाँ पे दो टाइप में ओडोंटोजेनिक सिस्ट को डिवाइड किया गया है। एक होता है हमारा डेवलपमेंटल एंड सेकंड वन इज इन्फ्लामेटरी. Its same is also in non-odontogenic cyst. It may also two types. First, that is developmental, and second one, that is inflammatory. आपको याद रखने के लिए हमने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से एक न्यूमोनिक्स तैयार किया है. So developmental cyst, those which is arising from the odontogenic in epithelium. In that particular, those cysts which is present, the one of the most important cyst which is asked in LAQ as well as SAQ questions in MHS exam. First, that is your OKC. Then dentigerous cyst. Second, eruption cyst. And fourth one, that is a lateral periodontal cyst. So the mnemonics is for a developmental odontogenic cyst, that is OKDEL. OKDEL, that is our mnemonics for odontogenic. OKDEL. OK stands for odontogenic keratocyst. Then D stands for our dentigerous cyst. E stands for eruption cyst, and L stands for lateral periodontal cyst. Take a screenshot. So in that developmental odontogenic cyst, the example is that first, radicular cyst. Second, residual cyst. And third one is that paradental cyst. So in odontogenic inflammatory cyst, there is a mnemonics is for you, that is राधा रेस्ट पर है. राधा रेस्ट पर है, दैट इज न्यूमोनिक्स फॉर द डेवलपमेंटल इन्फ्लामेटरी सिस्ट. राधा रेस्ट पर है. Radha. What is Radha? Radha, that is radicular cyst. Then second, rest, that is residual cyst, and per hai, that is your paradental cyst. Took a screenshot of that inflammatory residual cyst. So that is the first part, that is odontogenic cyst. In that there is a developmental and inflammatory. First odontogenic pneumonics for a developmental, that is Ocadale, and the second in pneumonics for the inflammatory cyst, that is the Radha rest per hay. Saying the another part of the cyst, that is a non-odontogenic cyst. In that there are two again types. इनमें भी दो प्रकार के टाइप्स पड़ते हैं, डेवलपमेंटल और दूसरा होता है इन्फ्लामेटरी. सो डेवलपमेंटल नॉन ओडोंटोजेनिक डेवलपमेंटल के एग्जांपल्स है. देयर इज सम इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूमोनिक्स फॉर यू अगेन, दैट इज डेवलपमेंटल. ओके, सो इन दैट, so first let's the example, then I will tell you the mnemonics for developmental non odontogenic. So first, that is nasopalatine duct cyst. Second example is nasolabial cyst. Third example, thyroglossal duct cyst. And the fourth example of the non-odontogenic developmental cyst, that is a dermoid cyst. So in that there is a mnemonics for a non-odontogenic developmental cyst, that is नासा ने तो डरा दिया. किसे डरा दिया हमें तो पता नहीं, लेकिन नासा ने डरा दिया. दैट इज द न्यूमोनिक्स फॉर डेवलपमेंटल नॉन ओडोंटोजेनिक सिस्ट. नासा ने तो डरा दिया. There is mnemonics for non-odontogenic developmental cyst. NASA, that is the nasopalatine duct cyst. NASA ne, that is your nasolabial cyst. NASA ne to, that is thyroglossal duct cyst, and dia, that is a dermoid cyst. That is a developmental non-odontogenic cyst examples. So in that inflammatory, that is non-odontogenic inflammatory, that is aneurysmal bone cyst, traumatic bone cyst, and the third example, that is antral cyst. There is a one mnemonics for inflammatory, that is आता. That is a Marathi words आता. उसका मतलब होता है अभी, दैट इज आता. देयर इज अ न्यूमोनिक्स फॉर नॉन ओडोंटोजेनिक इन्फ्लामेटरी सिस्ट. सो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और एक सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. थैंक यू.